and welcome to another video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I am trying to clear my skin. Like you guys, after the derma planning I did, the at-home derma planning I did, I started breaking out. Like the breakout was out of this world. It was so much that I regretted ever taking that decision of doing derma planning at home, and I don't think I'm ever going to do it except I go to see an esthetician that's going to do it for me. But by myself, I'm not going to go through that route again. So in the process of trying to clear my skin again, some of my products stopped working, so I had to change some of my routines. So in the course of this week, today is actually Monday, I'm going to be showing you guys from now till next week Monday what my skin is going to look like, if this product is going to work or if they're not going to work. You guys will get to know. So I want you guys to come along with me on this journey. It's going to be like a vlog style kind of video. This is just the intro, so I had to come to give you guys the full gist. So but from now on, you're going to be seeing it coming like a vlog style for you guys from now till next week Monday. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, I'm still going to come back to give you guys the before and the after. But I pray it works. Fingers crossed, I pray it works. So I'm going to be showing you guys the product I'll be taking on this journey with me. Some you know, some I added to the list. So stay tuned and go know. So the first product I'm going to show you guys, you already know this one on my channel. I use aloe vera gel as my moisturizer. You guys know it has always been my holy grail moisturizer. I'm going to be still using that as my moisturizer. Then I changed my my toner to this Vit Gold. Formerly I was using black charcoal, but I had to change it to peach and vitamin C cleansing toner. So this is the one I changed to. Then I also, my face wash changed from the micellar gel face wash to purifying gel wash. Then I also got my vitamin C serum by 𝑖𝑦PERPIGMENTATION. I made a reusable face wash for this routine. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be using this every day to exfoliate my face, because I noticed that when I use this to exfoliate my face gets a little bit smoother and the acne reduces. So I decided to start using this reusable face pad. So this is Monday morning. I've not done my skincare routine, so I'm going to do my skincare routine right now, showing you guys what I do during my skincare, and I'll continue like this in the night because it's going to be morning and night, and then I'm going to continue like this till next week Monday. Mind you, don't forget, during the daytime when I'm going out, I'm also going to apply my sunscreen. That one is something that is certain. I'm going to apply my sunscreen, and all these things I did is actually low budget. I made sure it's something I made sure it's something you'll be able to get in your drugstore so that you don't break the bank. Everybody's trying to cut costs, so I made sure that this is what you can actually get anywhere you feel like getting it. So let's do this together. Hopefully it works. So guys, welcome to my bathroom. So what I do first is to wash my hand. After washing my hands is all clean. So I'm going to take my reusable face pad, and then I'm going to take my simple, I'm going to add this quantity to the face pad. Then what I like to do is I like to just spread it on this face pad, and then what I like to do again is to apply it a little to some areas of my face, and including my neck. Then I just start rubbing it. I just start exfoliating in circular motion. This is what I do. Gently. Yeah, just make sure I'm gentle on my skin, because right now my skin is really sensitive. And I'm going to do this 2 times. I'm going to spread that to my neck. I'm going to exfoliate my neck as well, my ears as well. So guys, if you can see, it's a little bit dirty. Yes, it is. It's a little bit dirty. So guys, the difference between the first and the second time is you're going to see it very shortly. So I'm going to repeat that same process I did on the first wash. I'll repeat it on this second wash. So are you seeing the difference? Are you seeing the difference? The foam is much. On the first wash, my chin was not foaming, if you remember. But right now, the foam is starting to show, showing that your face has become clean. It's cleaner than before. Formerly, my neck was not foaming, but now it's foaming, which shows that it's cleaner now. That is why you can actually see the foam visible. And don't forget your neck. So as you can see, it's foamy and it's cleaner. So it shows that my face is cleaner now. So I'm just going to rinse it off, then start the skincare proper with you guys. So stay tuned and go away. So guys, my face has finally air dried. I'm going to be going in with this Fit Gold Peach and Vitamin C. I'm going to be going in with this, and I don't use any pad. I just pour a little on my hand, put it to the second hand, and just rub it on my skin. After that, I'm going to let it air dry again. Guys, now that it's completely dry, I'm going to be going in with my Premier Vitamin C serum. This is what I got. So I'm still going to let this air dry as well. Why I let it air dry is that so it can enter my skin very well and do its job. I'm going to be applying my aloe vera gel on my face. I just hope my routine works and clears out my skin. And I'm going to be applying this on my face. And make sure I extend it to my neck as well. So far, take a good look at what my face looks like right now. And I don't want to be popping them again. So guys, this is what we look like right now. So when I'm going out, I'm going to apply my sunscreen. So guys, this is what my face looks like this morning. I've not done my skincare, but this is what I look like on Tuesday morning, which is day 2. So after my skincare, I'm going to come back to you guys. So what I did, the skincare routine I did in the night is I had to exfoliate my face again with my face pad and my face wash. Then I didn't apply my vitamin C serum. I just applied my aloe vera gel. Like, I did not rub it on my hand. I just collected and made sure I put a very good amount on my face, and it's actually working. Like, I'm seeing changes. I'm seeing changes, and fingers crossed from now till Monday I should get a better results. So today is Monday, which is exactly 1 week I started my video, and I told you guys I was going to come back to show you what my face looks like. So in the course of the week, I changed some products in my skincare. I actually got a hold of my Holy Grail long time favorites. Like, this has been my cleanser and my toner for like how many years now, but for 6 months now I've not been able to see it. So when I saw it, I just grabbed it and I started making use of it. So I added this hyaluronic acid to my skincare routine. I started using it for from Wednesday or Thursday, and this is how we look like 1 week after that time. There's a big changes, like you guys, there's a big changes. This place I started clearing out. Here I started clearing out. If you watch last week Monday, there was a whole lot of acne on my forehead, and everything is beginning to clear out. The dark spot is fading off gradually, and there's a big progress. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I'm going to continue with this routine until my face clears out completely. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, fingers crossed, my face will be better than this, because right now getting my face back is one of the things I'm planning to achieve. So I'm going to see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.